The virus outbreak got a group of Minnesotans wondering how they could help their neighbors in need.
Their idea was to use social media to match those in need with those willing to help. WCCO's Reg Chapman shows us how COVID-19 delivery Twin Cities is helping to make connections in this time of social distancing.
Laura Nillis is part of an effort to let every Minnesotan know we are all in this together.
I'm a connector. I put people together.
Laura is one of a group of friends who put together COVID-19 Delivers Twin Cities. The group is the brainchild of Christopher Larson.
Christopher's vision was to put people who have needs and match them with people who will help those needs. And it was primarily delivery.
Laura was brought in to take the 7-county metro area and divide it into 24 subgroups. From Rosemount to Roseville, Isanti to Anoka County, more than 3,500 people have signed up to be a blessing to their neighbors.
It's bringing us together as a community. It's supporting the needs of everyone in that community. And it's giving people a sense of purpose.
Rebecca Backus is an admin for one of those groups. She says making deliveries to people who have compromised immune systems or just can't get out during this order to stay in gives her and others a chance to do something to fight the spread of COVID-19. She says you don't need social media to get help.
You reach out to a neighbor, family member who has Facebook or social media, and that family member can post on their behalf.
The volunteers pick up deliveries and run errands. There is no money exchanged.
We know that there are churches and food shelves giving away free food, but that doesn't help people who can't go get the free food.
People who have been helped are thankful and sent messages of gratitude via social media for volunteers to see. The group hopes to add more admin help to make sure every corner of the state is covered. In Hopkins, Reg Chapman, WCCO 4 News.
We have more information on COVID-19 Delivers Twin Cities on our website if you would like to get involved. Just another great example.
It really is. There are a lot of them,
Minnesotans helping
too.
one another. There have been, yeah.